if there were a time to try turn around, it would have to be this game.
These are both 0-2 teams. The win is an absolute must.
They'll keep chasing through. Egon's going to run in for support. Wild Total pumps his zonies, but the damage is just massive. Imp tearing through the team.
Now let's see Dyrus. He's in trouble. He gets taken down. Gombi and Imp still alive. 2v3. They might clean this up. Oh! Wild Total gets it. And TSM are wiping the floor with LGD.
Oh, this guy! What is he doing up there? Gordon, that Nail's going back in. Gets a bit onto Nugget. Oh! What a sign is!
They'll set their sights on the next, and Origin are on to the Nexus. Origin will place first in Group D.
Mal's gonna dive in. Paradox got it stolen. And Mal's against it. He might get away. And there's a double kill now.
Is the one that secures the kill. AHQ are in full retreat. They managed to take down Ziv. Albus follows shortly thereafter. Invictus Gaming keep their playoff hopes alive.
C'est le stade. Les Cloud9 implosent tactiquement.
Yo, good shit. Holy shit. Yo, we win. We win. What the hell?
Undefeated in the World Championship. The Cinderella story is still alive.
All that Diamond 2 practice.
There's plenty of damage to kill off one. Walter will try to trade one back. The flash to keep oh my God, snap! Coup Tigers tying Counter Logic Gaming over in Group A. Gotta go. Pin's gonna get stunned. NL cleanses out, and the front line is in front. Stake gets the kill, but he's gonna drop. Nice. And Pain Gaming take a win over the Flash Wolves.